Hello student, in last video we learned up to question number 6 in problem set 5. Now in this video we are going to learn how to solve the next question from question number 7 in problem set. See the question number 7. Find the coordinates of circumcenter of a triangle whose vertices are given -3 1, 0 -2, 1 3. With the help of this given information, first we draw how that circumcircle will be. Means if this is the circle, then this is the triangle whose circumcenter is the center of that circle. Suppose this is the point A, -3 1, second point B, 0 -2, third point C, 1 3, which are the vertices of that triangle. And its center, it is called as circumcenter, and the property of circumcenter is that it is equidistant from the vertices of that triangle. Suppose here O is the circumcenter whose vertices are A and B. Here we write, let O coordinates AB is the circumcenter. Circumcenter means the circle which passes through the vertices of triangle, that is called as circumcircle, and the center of that circle is circumcenter. Now as here we can say OA is equal to OC because they are the radii of same circle. Now using distance formula we can find out the distance OA and distance OC. Again square in, we can obtain OA square is equal to OC square. This is the first statement. Now here we use distance formula. By distance formula, to both sides, to finding OA means there is square there, that's why square root sign will be eliminated from both sides. OA square, suppose this is the first point, this is second point, means A plus 3 bracket square, x2 minus x1 bracket square means this is x2 and this is x1, plus y2 minus y1 means b minus 1 bracket square. This is the distance OA square. And OC square means this is suppose second point, this is first point, then we get a minus 1 bracket square plus b minus 3 bracket square. Now we simplify the using formula a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square. This formula we already know. A plus 3 bracket square, with the help of this first formula, square of first term a square, twice of both terms and product, that is 6a plus 9. Same way we simplify this using this a minus b bracket square, we get b square minus 2b plus 1 is equal to, using a minus b bracket square, square of first term minus 2 into product of both, that is 2a, plus square of second term a b minus 3, same way we simplify it, b square minus 6b, b square minus 6b plus 9. Now here we simplify a square on both sides cancel, b square cancel. Now we collect the terms of like 6a minus 2a transfer to left side, it will become plus 2a minus 2b, this minus 6b will become plus 6b, and constant terms 9 plus 1 transfer to that side, we will get that is 0 means plus 9, this 9 plus 1 10, and that is 10. Here we get 6 plus 2a means 8a plus 4b is equal to 0. After that, taking 2 as common, we will get, means 4 as common, we get 4 bracket 2a plus b is equal to 0. Therefore the first equation we obtain here, 2a plus b is equal to 0. This is one of the simultaneous equations in two variables a and b. Now same way here we take OA and OC. Now we are taking OB is equal to OC because they are also radii of same circle. Again we write here also, or again OB is equal to OC. Support is the same, radii of same circle. Same way, using squaring both sides, we get OB square is equal to OC square. Now using distance formula, what we obtain here, this is second point, suppose this is first point, then we will get A minus 0 bracket square plus B plus 2, this negative 2 and formula negative means it will become plus 2. OC square means this is second point, this is first point, means here we get A minus 1 bracket square plus B minus 3 bracket square. Again here we simplify the squares. We get here A square, A minus 0 means A square plus B square plus 4B plus 4. This is the expansion of B plus 2 bracket square is equal to A square minus 2A plus 1 plus B square minus 6B plus 9. This is expansion of B minus 3 bracket square. Now we simplify this. A square cancel on both sides, B square cancel. 2A transfer to left side, it will become plus this 4B and minus 6B. When we transfer, it will become plus 4 transfer to right side. 9 plus 1 means 10 minus 4. And now we simplify it. 2A 4B plus 6B means 10B is equal to 10 minus 4 6. Taking 2 as common, here we will get A plus 5B is equal to 3. This is the question number second, means this is first question, this is second equation, and therefore now we have to solve these two equations. Here we get A plus 5B is equal to 3 and above equation is 2A plus B is equal to 0. Multiplying this second equation by 2, we have to obtain the coefficient same, means here we again get 2A plus 10B is equal to 6. This is third equation. Now in first equation and third equation, the coefficient of A variable is same and sign also same, means we have to subtract this first equation from third equation. Means here we write subtracting equation first from equation third. Now we have to write down third equation to upper side and then 2A plus B is equal to 0. As we are doing the subtraction, change the sign of this second equation. 2A minus 2A cancel, 10B minus B means 9B is equal to 6, and that's why B is equal to 6 upon 9. Both are multiple by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, means the one of the coefficient here one of the coordinate here we obtain 2 upon 3. Now using this B is equal to 2 upon 3 in any one of the that is suppose first relation, this is first equation, means here we write put B is equal to 2 upon 3 in equation first. Equation first is this, 2A plus B is equal to 0. Therefore 2A plus 2B 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. 2A is equal to minus 2 upon 3. This 2, it will dividing to right side, it will become 2A is equal to minus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. This 2 and this 2 cancelled, means the A coefficient is, A coordinate is negative 1 upon 3 and B coordinate 2 upon 3. And that's why here we write the answer. Coordinates of circumcenter is equal to, first write down x coordinate minus 1 upon 3, then y coordinate 2 upon 3, and that is the answer. Means in this way, by using distance formula, we simplify this example. Now we are taking question number 8. See question number 8. State the type of question is that state the type of triangle considering sides of triangle. What is given in question? See carefully. In these examples, the segment joining the given points form a triangle. If triangle is formed, state the type of the triangle considering the sides of triangle. Means first we decide whether triangle is formed according to length of segments or not. And if triangle will be formed, then we have to identify the type of triangle according to sides. Means we have to find out all three sides. For example, in this first example, LM side, MN side and LN side, and then we decide whether it is triangle or not. Now see the examples. L64 and -5 3m and n -6 8. Here we are using distance formula. By distance formula we already know, for first step you can write the formula LM is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. After that, here we are putting the values of coordinates. Suppose this as x2 and this as x1, then we will get -5 minus 6 bracket square plus y2 is -3, y1 is -4 bracket square. Then -5 minus 6 means -11 bracket square plus -7 bracket square. That is equal to 11 square means 121, 7 square means 49. Adding both we will get 170, means root 170. This is the first side. LM is equal to under root 170. Now we are finding second side. MN is equal to, not necessary to write down formula now. x2 is suppose -6, x1 is -5, write down in bracket, plus y2 is 8 minus y1 is -3 bracket square. For inserting the brackets we have to use this negative sign, minus in bracket -6 plus 5 bracket square plus 8, this negative and this negative become positive bracket square is equal to -1, difference of these both, that is -1 plus 11 bracket square, that is equal to 1 square means 1 plus 121, that is 11 square. The answer is root 122, that is the second side. Now we are finding the third side, LN. LN is equal to the second point, suppose this, and first point this, means here we get x2 as -6, x1 as this 6 bracket square plus y2 as 8 -4 bracket square. By simplifying -6 -4, that is -12 bracket square plus 4 bracket square. -12 square means 144 plus 16. Answer is root 180. Now here we have three sides, root 170, root 170, root 122 and root 180. Now here we have to check whether the one of the side is greater than the sum of other two sides, then triangle is formed. And that's why here we are deciding whether that is sum of other two sides, means first of all we are taking the sum of these two, that is root 122, this 122 plus root 160 is greater than root 170, means we can write here root 122 plus root 170 is greater than root 180. but that are not integers, and that's why here we have to prove whether that this is true or not. And that can be simplified by squaring both sides. Means first we square this side and then we square this side. 122 plus root 170 square is equal to square of first term 122, then 2 into root 122 into 170 plus square of this term simply 170, that is equal to sum of these two, that is 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 7 9, means 282, 282, sorry 160, this will be 160, sorry, 160, that is, and that's why 282 plus 2 into root 122 into root 160, that is the suppose fourth relation. Now we square this root 170, we square the other root 170, that then we will get root 170 simply 170, and this side is great, means this number 282 is greater than this number 282 greater than 170, and then again we add this number, and that's why we can write root 122 plus root 170 square is greater than root 170, means root 122 plus root 160 square greater than root 170 square. Therefore the sum of these two sides, root 122 plus root 160 greater than root 170, means here triangle is formed, means as the sum of two sides greater than third side, triangle is formed. And now as all three sides are different, means we can say that LM not equal MN not equal LN, and therefore triangle LMN is a scalene triangle. As all sides are different, we can say it is scalene triangle. And this is the example number 1 from question number 8. Now same is the question, we have to change only numbers and we have to decide whether that is triangle or not. Here the sides are given as P minus 2 6 coordinate, Q minus 4 minus 2, B minus 5 minus 6. We are preparing here the side PQ, means first we use distance formula to find the side PQ. Suppose this is second point, this is first point, here we obtain minus 4 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 is this minus 2 and y1 is minus 6 bracket square is equal to minus 4 plus 2, this negative and this negative become plus, minus 2 plus 6 bracket square, minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2 square plus minus 2 plus 6 means 4 square, and by simplifying here we get 4 minus 2 square and this is the 16, that is equal to root 20. We may simplify as 4 into 5 means 2 root 5. This is the number 1. Now we find the distance QR. Distance QR is equal to, suppose this is second point, this is first point, x2 is minus 5, x1 is minus 4 bracket square plus y2 is 0 minus 2 bracket square, here also we simplify, minus 5 plus 4 bracket square plus negative become positive 2 bracket square, minus 5 plus 4 means minus 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 plus 4 simply root 5. This is the second side. And now we find the third side PR. PR is equal to under root, suppose this is second, this is first point, same way this is x2 minus 2 is x1, y2 is 0, y1 is minus 6 is equal to minus 5 plus 2 bracket square plus 6 square, that is equal to negative 3 square plus 6 square, that is equal to 9 plus 36, that is equal to root 45. We may simplify it as 9 into 5 means 3 root 5. This is the third relation. Now here from this third, this 3 root 5 is equal to root 5 plus 2 root 5. Here you can write 3 root 5 is equal to 2 root 5 plus root 5, and here we simplify from 1, 2 and 3. Now here one of the distance is equal to the sum of two distances, and that's why that 3 points are collinear. Means here 3 root 5, that is PR, is equal to 2 root 5 means PQ plus QR, and therefore points PQR are collinear. And when the points are collinear, that do not form triangle. For example, see here, like this way, this is P, this is Q and this is R. There is no triangle formation, and that's why triangle PQR is not formed. And as triangle is not formed, we can't say whether the type of that triangle. And in this way, this is the second example of same question. Now we are solving third example. Third example is here. A root 2, B minus root 2, C minus root 6 plus root 6. Now here we are simplifying again by distance formula. By distance formula we simplify. Distance AB is equal to, this is x2 minus 2 root 2 plus minus root 2 bracket square plus y2 is minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 bracket square, that is equal to, we can simplify it as minus 2 root 2 bracket square plus in second bracket also minus 2 root 2 bracket square. Square of this minus 2 root 2 is 2 square 4, 4 2 is 8, means 8 plus 8 is equal to root 16, that is equal to 4. This is the first relation. Now we simplify for BC distance. BC is equal to, this is x2 minus root 6 minus root 2 bracket square plus y2 is root 6 minus root 2 bracket square is equal to minus root 6, we simplify it, minus root 6 plus root 2 bracket square plus root 6 plus root 2 bracket square. And now we simplify it using the formula of A minus B bracket square, that is square of this term simply root 6 minus root 6 bracket square. Here the product of that is 2 into minus root 6 into root 2 plus second term square is root 2 square plus root 6 square plus 2 into root 6 into root 2 plus second term square root 2 square. And now we simplify it like this way, minus root 6 square means 6 minus 2 into root 12 plus root 2 square, that is simply 2 plus 6 plus 2 root 12 plus 2 again, means here we get, that is this minus root 2 root 12 plus root 12 cancelled. 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 2 8, that is root 16, that is equal to 4. This is the second length BC. Now we find third length AC. A point is 2 root 2. This is suppose second point, minus root 6 minus root 2 bracket square plus y2 is root 6, y2 is root 6 and y1 is root 2, means minus root 2 bracket square. Again we simplify it by using a minus b bracket square. First term square means minus root 6 square plus 2 into minus root 6 second multiplied by minus root 2 plus minus root 2 square plus again here we use the formula root 6 square plus 2 into root 6 into root 2 plus minus root 2 square. Now we simplify here, the square is 6, this negative and this negative become positive. 2 root 12 plus minus root 2 square means 2 plus root 6 square means 6 plus 2 root 12, this will become 2 root 12, means here that will be minus, this is minus root 12, 2 root 12 plus simply 2, this term and this term cancelled, root 16 again, means here we get 4, and from 1, 2 and 3 all sides are equal, means here we say that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 4, and also if we add both two sides, AB plus BC greater than AC, 4 plus 4 8, 8 greater than 4, and that's why here we can say that triangle ABC is formed and its type is equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle or as all sides are equal. And in this way here we solve up to question number 8, and the next part of this problem set you can see in next video. I think you could understand all these. Please subscribe the channel and see the next video.